What's going on, guys? Keyser here from keyserreveal. Today I'll be giving you guys a quick look at some of the tech that I use in my bedroom. Now it's not as overly teched out as the studio, but I thought I'd let you guys check it out anyway. With that said, let's get to it. Alright, so here we have this tribal / Buddha 3D wall art. Now I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I thought it looked really cool. By the way, I want to give a huge shout out to my sister for coming through with some of these artsy pieces and adding a bit of feng shui to the room. Next to that we have the Nest thermostat. Now you can set the display up so that it's motion controlled. From here you can set the room temperature, check the weather, set the unit to heat or cool, control the fan schedule, check your energy usage, and set specific schedules for what temperature you want your home to be at certain times. You can also control the unit via voice command with Google Home or Amazon Echo. Hey Google, set the upstairs temperature to 70 degrees.
You got it, setting the master bedroom to 70 degrees.
Next to that I have some more wall art, and on my nightstand I have a porcelain head that I used to hang my Beats Studio wireless headphones on. Now I know a lot of people dislike Beats, but I actually like this particular model. They're not as bass heavy as some of the others, and they're actually pretty comfortable. Now the noise isolation isn't the best and the battery life could be better, but overall I think they're pretty solid. Next to that I have a lamp that has a Philips Hue bulb in it. Hey Google, change the lamp to green. And beside that I have this kind of stone accent piece. It doesn't really do anything, but it looks pretty cool. And inside my nightstand is where I keep my most used bedroom tech, my iPad. Now I don't watch a lot of TV, so most of the time I'm up here surfing the net or watching Netflix. And over here we have my favorite piece of non-tech, my bed. This is the California King Cortina sleigh bed. Now this thing is massive and weighs a ton. I've always been a fan of sleigh beds, and I think the hand carving on this walnut finish really gives it an elegant look. But it wouldn't be me if I didn't try to tech this out in some way. So I added a couple of Philips Hue light strips to the bottom. Now on this side of the room there's not much tech. Actually, there's not any. Just some candles, some more accent pieces, and this pretty cool painting. In this corner is my sitting / reading area. And just above that, I have some more Philips Hue bulbs so that I can control the lighting of just this area for times where I want it brighter, dimmer, or even a different color. Hey Google, change reading area to blue. On my TV stand is where I keep the Google Home Mini. Now ideally this isn't the best place for it because now you'd be competing with the sound coming from the TV when trying to give the Mini voice commands. However, for me, it's not a huge problem because I rarely use the TV anyway, and when I do, I keep the volume at a minimum. For my TV, I'm using the PN51F5300AF by Samsung. Now, I'm sure that you can tell by this huge bezel that this TV is really old. I'm not even certain if they make this model anymore. But like I said earlier, I really don't watch a lot of TV, so it's really not a big deal for me. However, if this is your current situation, you can always pick up a Google Chromecast like I did for those times when you want to watch Netflix. Hey Google, watch Netflix. Alright, so that's a look at some of the tech that I currently use in my bedroom. I'll leave links in the description just in case you guys want to check any of this stuff out. But I'm interested to know what tech you guys use most in your bedroom, so leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. So until next time, peace.
The old me was getting stoned like a crucifixion. True conviction, call it loud, cause only you will listen. Bell, Biv DeVoe, Bobby Ralph, new edition.